Good day, Miss Liz. So, ito po yung sagot ko sa prompt na, what have you done or what do you plan to do for the community that you believe allows you to fulfill your social responsibility? So, before answering that, a little background, there was a time that a friend of mine asked me, sabi niya, bakit daw sa tingin ko nabubuhay pa rin ako sa mundong to and ano daw yung purpose ko dito sa mundo. Yung time na yun, I took it as a joke. Talagang tinawanan ko lang yun kasi ang ano lang, ang parang ironic na tatanungin niya ako ng ganun. Pero alam ko naman kung ano yung reason niya kung bakit niya ako tinanong nun. And after months ng tanong na yun, I entered college and obviously I pursued AB Psychology. And my reason why I pursue this course or program is because of children and women who needs help. Yung mga naaabusong mga babae tsaka mga bata. Kasi nalaman ko yon sa isang congress wherein they need help. Not just financially or physically sa medical but also mentally. Yun yung mga gusto kong tulungan and yun talaga yung advocate ko ever since. And after that, naging chairperson ako sa parish youth ministry. Hindi ko rin yun ine-expect kasi hindi ko naman alam na pagkakatiwalaan ako ng mga tao sa simbahan. And after that, naging choral member din ako. So, upon those achievements, I can say that it's an achievement or it's achievements. They are achievements. Doon ko na-realize na in order for you to know your purpose, you need to continue living. You need to explore yourself. And I think yun yung way ko para ma-fulfill ko yung responsibility ko. Or, yun yung responsibility ko sa community, yung social responsibility ko. Doon ko nahanap yung purpose ko. Doon sa mga bagay na ginagawa ko ngayon. And, ano pa ba? My plans. Wala akong plans. Basta yun. I believe that to fulfill your social responsibility, you must know first your purpose sa mundong to or in your community. Begin with a small group before doing something big. It's always that small step na sometimes di mo alam doon magbabago yung buhay mo. Yun lang po, miss. Bye-bye.